With me is Mr. Nitin Kumar, one of the founder member of Ethical Consulting Private Limited. He holds a company secretary degree. Along with that, he is also an MBA in finance. He'll tell us about what are the actual products handled by Ethical in last several years and what returns it has generated for its clients. Yes, Mr. Nitin.
Yeah, our company is functional for last 9 years, and we have been giving handsome returns to our clients through different projects that we have undertaken in last 9 years. So basically the criteria that we have already discussed, like how we select the project and what are the parameters that we take into account before selecting the project for our clients, that is the basic thing how we generate the returns for our clients. Like in last 9 years, we have done several projects in Gurgaon and in Noida and other NCR region, which has generated an average return of say 30 to 35% in last few years, and in current 2 years, last 2 years, the returns have somewhat diminished and they have generated around 20 to 25% in the region. Different projects that we have undertaken in last 9 years, they include like CHD, MRNGF, we have done IDO projects, we have done SS Group project, we have done space projects on Dwarka Expressway. Basic feature of our projects is that the locations and all locational advantage that you get by investing in these projects, they generate higher returns, for our clients. So basically, on an average, the returns that we have gathered for our clients is 20% to start with, and that ends up to 30% CAGR. 20 to 30% is the basic criteria that we look at while selecting a project for our clients. Currently, we have shifted the focus of the projects to assured return products, where clients are expected to garner a handsome return of approximately 25% to 30% year on year in coming few years. Because the market turbulence and all, we have shifted the project focus to assured return products and commercial products which are likely to deliver better returns in coming years. So that is the basic assumption of our management philosophy, and we as a company try to deliver our objectives through the actual thing and through the deliverables that we always gauge while taking a project in hand. So that is the basic feature while we undertake any project. So in all scenario, we have given a better return even in the market downturns and all. We have given a better return in comparison to other broking houses who don't basically go into the depth of a project while selling any project. So our basic core objective is return and return and returns. We focus every time on return for our clients. Our client satisfaction is the basic motto, so we look after all those things.
Yesterday I had read a news in Economic Times, which is actually certain perplexed me a lot. Rias of SR, they had purchased a plot at my house in Johor in Delhi around 20 years back. At a cost of some around 50 lakh rupees, and they are expected to sell it at a price of whopping 170 crore.
That is true.
So this kind of news actually sets a different kind of expectation in the customer's mind. So what is your advice to a customer that what should they actually look for when they invest in real estate? Because what I particularly understand or have talked to too many people, they think that investing in real estate is like a windfall. So what is your advice to the customer? What should they expect as a return from the real estate sector?
Right. One should always focus on the fundamental aspects of any project where he invests. Fundamental aspects as well as technical aspects. That has been already delved upon by our company professors, but I will still tell you all the fundamental aspects like background check of the promoters, company check, the technical aspect includes like land value checking, land papers are all in place, everything is in place. They should invest in these kind of projects where everything is there and all the things have been approved by the government and all prior to making any investment decision. So basically, the basic objective of our investment criteria should be legality check should be complete. So once you do all those things, your investment will never go sour. So definitely you will garner huge returns. Like it happened in Gurgaon, plots in DLF area were sold at 200 rupees per square yard. Now they are fetching average return of 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs per square yard. So it will always give you hefty returns.
Time frame, what was the time horizon when it was being sold at 200?
It took almost 30 years.
30 years.
Yeah, in 30 years it has almost compounded by 1,000 times. So
Okay,
you can
so
see the kind of return where you can that you can get by investing in a good project. So
what my takeaway is that you need to stay invested.
Yeah.
You cannot speculate. The average return which ethical consulting has given to its customer starts from 20% and it goes up to 30%. That is the legal, the delta you are saying that a customer should expect.
Yeah.
And if they want some windfall kind of thing, 1,000 time return, then they need to stay invested for 30 years, 20 years, like Ruya stayed invested for 20 years, more than 20
Definitely.
years. And then they are expecting that kind of price.
That is true.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nitin from Ethical Consulting YouTube channel.
Thanks.
It's all my pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks.